four basic type of tissue in our body, that is epithelial tissue, nervous tissue, muscular tissue and connective tissue. So epithelium that covers the surfaces of the body, external surface as well as internal surface, that lies the tubular structure. So epithelium is the basic tissue of the body. It is a tightly adherent cells. So the epithelium, it consists of the layer of the cell that covers the body. When there is a single layer of cell, it is known as the simple epithelium, and more than one layer of cell, it is known as the stratified epithelium. So here there is a simple epithelium. When the cell, it is a flat, it is known as the simple squamous epithelium. So simple squamous epithelium, the nucleus is flat and there is a little amount of cytoplasm is present. So function, it helps into the rapid transport of substances, the rapid diffusion of gases and filtration of fluid. So where it is located, so it located into the lung alveoli where there is a diffusion of gases. Then there is a, inside the tubular organ, there is endothelium inside the blood and lymphatic vessels. Then lining epithelium of heart, it is known as the endocardium. Lining epithelium of serous cavity, that is when present into the serous cavity, it is known as the mesothelium. So pericardium, peritoneum and pleural cavity, it is known as the mesothelium. And it also present into the Bowman's capsule and certain part of the nephron. So the epithelial tissue lies on the basement membrane. It rests on the basement membrane. When the cell is flat, it is known as the simple squamous epithelium. When the cell is cuboidal in shape, when the height is equal, height and width is equal, it is known as the cuboidal epithelium. In the cuboidal epithelium, the nucleus is rounded, centrally placed nucleus. The function of the cuboidal epithelium, it mainly involved into the transport, synthesis and secretion of substance. Where it is located, in the thyroid follicle, small duct of the exocrine gland, covering of the ovary, choroidal plexus, inner lens of the eyeball, pigmented cell layer of retina, duct of the Bartholian gland and tubular gland, tubules in the kidney. Now the simple columnar epithelium, then when the height of the cell is more than the width, it is known as the simple columnar epithelium. So all the epithelial cells rest on the basement membrane. Nucleus is elongated, flat, that lies nearer to the basement membrane. Function, it has a secretory function, secretion of the enzyme, mucus and so on. It has absorptive function, absorption of nutrients in the intestine. There is a presence of cilia and microvilli in the simple columnar epithelium. Where it is located, it located into the respiratory tract. Shows a cilia on the surfaces in respiratory tract. So it is known as the ciliated pseudostratified epithelium. In male reproductive tract, in some part, it is a pseudostratified columnar epithelium with stereocilia in epididymis, and it also present in a pseudostratified columnar epithelium in the auditory tube, ductus deferens and membranous and penile urethra. So here there is a basement membrane. The simple squamous epithelium, the cell is flat. So cuboidal epithelium, cell is rounded. So cuboidal cell, rounded nucleus, and in rest on the basement membrane. So below the basement membrane we draw a connective tissue. Function of the epithelium. First one is protection. As in skin, it protects the deeper structure. Then the barrier. Second one is it forms a barrier. Forms a mechanical barrier. So it permits a selective substance to cross it. So it prevents the entry of viruses, but it allows the entry of some lipid soluble drugs. Absorption. It involves in absorption of substances in intestine. So absorb the nutrients from the digested food. Secretion or excretion. It can synthesize and secrete some product like in gland and the saliva, secretion of saliva. Then the sensory perception. Epithelial involved in receiving sensory signal from the external environment. Example is a tongue which involve into the taste sensation. Some cells in the epithelium are short and some are the long. So short shell cannot reach up to the free surface of the when there is a short and long cells, the nucleus lies at a different level and it looks like a striated in appearance. So that's why it is known as the pseudo-stratified epithelium. So this short cell act as a stem cells from which the long cells are derived. So these long cells are fully matured cells and it is a columnar in shape. That's why it is known as the pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Where it is located? It located into the respiratory tract, and when there is a presence of cilia, it is known as the ciliated pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. In male reproductive tract, in epididymis and ductus deferens. And it present into the membranous and penile urethra. Function, it protect the underlying structure. Cilia moves the mucus. Stereocilia help in the absorption, and goblet cell secrete the mucus, and basal cell act as a stem cell for remaining cell of the epithelium. Epithelium. The basal surface lies on the basement membrane, while the side lateral surface makes a junction with the another epithelial cells, while the apical surface is free. So some surface shows a modification. So there is a microvilli. So surface cell projection. One is the microvilli. It increases the cell surface area for absorption and secretion. It is regularly arranged microvilli. It is known as the striated border. We can see in the small intestine. Irregularly arranged microvilli, that is a brush border. We can see it in the gallbladder, proximal convoluted tubules of the kidney. Stereocilia. It is a long, thick microvillus. Increases the cell surface area present on epithelium of receptor. Cell in the internal ear, it acts as a mechanoreceptor. Vibration induces the movement of the stereocilia and that generates a signal. In epididymis, it increases the surface area for absorption of fluid. Now the cilia, the apical cell membranous hair-like projection, it is the cilia. It is a motile. We can see in the respiratory tract and fallopian tube and tail of the sperm. Steat When there is a more than one layer is present in epithelium, it is known as the stratified epithelium. So the epithelium is rest on the basement membrane. So here the deeper layer is rest on the basement membrane. So only the basal cell layer rest on the basement membrane. So stratified epithelium is stratified squamous epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium and stratified columnar epithelium. In stratified squamous epithelium, the superficial layer of cell, it is a squamous shape. It is known as the stratified squamous epithelium. So basal layer of cell, it is a cuboidal or columnar. The nucleus of this cell, it is a rounded. And the basal cell act as a stem cell. They divide methodically and migrate to the superficial layer. So cell gradually decreasing in size as it goes upward from deep to superficial. Nuclei of this superficial layer is elongated and flat. So here it is a stratified squamous epithelium. So cell in the upper layer is live and nucleated. So this epithelium is remain always moist. And this epithelium with underlying thin connective tissue, it is called as a mucosa. It is present in the epithelial lining of the oral cavity, oropharynx, laryngopharynx, esophagus, vagina, tonsil, vocal fold and cornea. Function: it protects the underlying structure. It acts as a barrier against pathogenic organisms. So when the epithelium covering the tongue, it is a moist, but it is exposed to a continuous friction. So tongue is covered by a partly keratinized and partly non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Here is the non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Here basement membrane. So deep layer, it is a cuboidal or columnar shaped shell. So it is a basal cell, act as a stem cells with rounded nucleus. Superficial squamous cell with elongated flat nucleus. When the superficial layer is dead and it presents without a nucleus, it is known as the keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. So superficial soil shows a keratohyaline granules in their cytoplasm. These cells are dead, don't have a nuclei. So this layer, it is known as this dead cell layer, it is known as the stratum corneum. So keratinization indicate the dryness or friction of exposed surface. So it located in the skin, epidermis of the skin. So function: it protect the deeper structure from mechanical injuries, act as a barrier against infection, it prevent the water loss. Stratified cuboidal epithelium, it consists of the two or more layer. The superficial layer is cuboidal in shape. The nucleus is rounded. Location: the sum duct of the sweat gland, salivary and sebaceous gland. Function: it acts as a barrier and provide a passage for secretion. Stratified columnar epithelium. It is a two-layer thick. The superficial cell are columnar in cell, basal cell, cuboidal and rest on basal lamina. Location. It's epithelial lining of some ducts of salivary gland, fornix of conjunctiva and cavernous urethra. Function. It provides passage for secretion and act as a barrier. Transitional epithelium. It consists of the more than one layer. It lies in the urinary passage. Hence, it is known as the urothelium. So, thickness of the cell, it depends on the stretching. When the bladder is fully distended, only 2 to 3 cell layer is thick. When there is an empty bladder, there is a 5 to 6 layer thick. The cell become flattened on stretching due to distension of bladder. On relaxing in empty bladder, cell become polygonal. Hence, this epithelium is called transitional epithelium. So, basal cell are cuboidal and rest on basal lamina. Cell of the upper layer are polygonal. Cell of the most superficial layer is dome-shaped or umbrella shape, and it consists of the it is a more eosinophilic due to presence of plaque, and this plaque consists of intramembranous glycoprotein. The surface cell shows a mitotic activity. So there is a two nucleus in the single cell. So it lies transitional epithelium located in the renal pelvis, calyces of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and part of urethra. It provides ability of distension to the urinary bladder, and it acts as a barrier because of presence of occluding junctions and intramembranous plaque. So here the more superficial cell, it is a dome shape or umbrella shape. So below the cell is polygonal. So some cell shows a two nucleus binucleated cell. Basal cells are cuboidal in shape. Basement membrane.